Hello and welcome to Computology Academy, and today we are going to discuss a term that is Chilean Kala, which refers to the harshest period of cold, and this cold is experienced in Kashmir. So many of you might be wondering why this snow covered landscape is in the background, why this has been put here. So basically it represents the situation, the condition which is being experienced by Kashmir, which is being experienced in the region of Kashmir right now, because today is the day when the Chilean Kala starts. So today we will discuss in detail this term, meaning of this term, till what time this phase lasts in Kashmir and what are its impacts. So here Chilean Kala, this is a Persian word, and here Chilia means the cold, right? And here Kala means the major or the larger part. So here this combined term in Persian language means the harshest period of cold or winter, and this is used for the period of 40 days that is experienced in Kashmir Valley. And here this period lasts between 21st December to 29th of January every year. So this is not once in a while phenomena, but this is experienced every year in Kashmir region. And today is the date 21st of December when it starts, and you can analyze its severity from the pictures which I will show you in the next slides. And here this Chile Kala is followed by the another period of Chilai Khurd. So here Chilai Khurd refers to the mild or the moderate level of cold, and here it lasts for 20 days after this 40 days period of Chilai Kala, and thereafter 10 days period of minimum level of cold that is being witnessed by the Kashmir Valley, that is Chilai Bacha. And here this cold period, this winter period has been, severity of this period has been divided into three parts according to the level of temperature and the changes that is being experienced in the landscape as well as in the environmental condition of Kashmir, in three parts. That is, one part is Chilai Kala, that is having a period of 40 days, thereafter Chilai Khurd period of 20 days, and thereafter Chilai Bacha, that is having a period of 10 days, and so in total it has been covered in 70 days period. Now what is its impact? So here this is the photograph of one of the waterfall that is located near Gulmarg, next to Gulmarg, and this Darang waterfall is completely frozen because of this period of Chilai Kala, that is severe cold, harshest cold. And during this period what happens, the temperature falls below 0 degrees Celsius. The region experiences sub-zero temperature range during this period, and it becomes a winter wonderland. This region becomes a winter wonderland. The complete landscape looks very beautiful. ठंडी में मजा किसी को नहीं आता है. Everybody doesn't like the cold winter season, but if you see the beauty of the nature during this period in the regions of snowfall like Kashmir, Gulmarg, Solmarg, etc., then it will be very beautiful. It will attract you, it will soothe your mind, and that is what it is being witnessed here. And during this period this region attracts huge number of tourists. Many of the tourists come to this region to experience the cold winter season as well as to enjoy various snow and ice sports like skiing, etc. And that is what it makes very important, that this time period is experiencing huge number of tourists, and the tourist economy, the economic activity in the tourism sector goes on to increase during this period. And what will be the impact of this Chilean Kala or this Chilia phase on the region of Kashmir? So here severe winter will be experienced throughout Kashmir. If some regions are experiencing very high or very huge temperature difference due to cold and winter season, the temperature dips to a great extent, experience the sub-zero level, then definitely the adjoining regions will also witness some fall of temperature, and that immediate vicinity of the Gulmarg or the Sonmarg region is definitely going to experience the huge dip in the temperature. So here in the Kashmir region there are frozen lakes, streams and other water bodies. Mostly all the water bodies goes on to freeze. Dal Lake also experiences the freezing condition, and other water bodies will also be witnessing the same kind of situation. Like here you can see there is one tree and the snow is covering the trunk of the whole tree, and the tourists are enjoying the snow and all those kind of things. Thereafter, what will be the impact on other parts of India? So definitely a bit of the impact of this severe winter will be there in other parts of India, and definitely it will be experienced in this northern plains region. Here basically this region is very nearby to this Himalayan ranges, and as there is snowfall in these Himalayan ranges region, due to this what will happen, this northern plains region will experience cold waves, like we are witnessing the temperature dip in this region even here. So the same kind of situation will be all over the northern plains, and especially this northwestern region like this Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, northern part of Rajasthan, as well as the western part of Uttar Pradesh. All this region of the northern plains will experience a huge dip in the temperature, and cold waves will ensue, and because of that there will be foggy like condition and the people will be experiencing severe cold. And last but not the least, I would like to inform you all that the Computology IS Academy has announced the General Studies Foundation course for the UPSC 2023 Civil Services exam, and this will be a pre-comes main batch where the holistic coverage of the prelims and the main syllabus will be there, along with the test series and continuous mentoring of the candidates, and there will be continuous monitoring of the improvement of the candidates. This will be the offline classes which are going to start from 3rd of January, and those who want to register for the courses can get in touch with us on our landline number. Here is our mobile as well as WhatsApp number. For further information you can get in touch with us, and if you want to download the information as well as register by your own, then you can visit our website, that is www.computology.com, and do follow us on our social media channels, that is Facebook and Instagram handle. Here it is the Telegram handle, where you can also find various preparatory materials, as well as do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload such informative videos. Thank you very much and have a nice day.